Anybody know what I'm drinking? It is so very awesome and awesome for your insides. Cheers, family. Who knows what's in my glass? Well, as some of you know, I'm trying to do a healthier alternative from drinking my daily coffee, which I absolutely love. But I have a new drink that I also love, and it is green matcha. So, you know how we normally drink green tea? We have our tea bags, we put our water in, and we sip our tea. Well, with green matcha powder, it's the whole Japanese green tea leaf, and it's ground up into powder. And this is the kind that I love. Sweet matcha. No, I am not sponsored, but I just wanted to tell you about this sweet matcha green tea. You put it in your choice of milk, or you can actually put the powder directly into some boiling water and drink it just like that. But I personally like it inside some milk. So either coconut milk, unsweetened almond milk, or oat milk. Either one of those really help. It gives you focused energy, not like jittery energy, but focused energy. It's good for anti-inflammation in my body. Matcha tea, anyone? Guess what I just got? Amazon just delivered. My burdock root and Frontier sweet matcha. Not just regular matcha, but the sweet matcha. I love this company. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but I do love this company's products. So I have taken my matcha and put it into this glass. Remember, we don't throw away glass jars. We use them and reuse them. So as you see, this is a Prego, an old Prego sauce container. And I'm gonna put an O2 sensor in here, even though it may not last that long because we love green matcha tea. And then in this jar, because it was full, we'll be using out of this jar. So, one bag, what ounce is this? A 16-ounce bag of sweet matcha can go into one Prego jar as well as a short mason jar. And if you add some almond milk or your coconut milk or the favorite milk of your choice and a scoop of this green matcha powder, not just regular green matcha, but this one, the sweet matcha, it's like a morning dessert treat. And since I'm trying not to drink coffee and trying to drink something that's supposed to be healthier for me for 30 days, this is what I'm doing. Sweet matcha and my milk. And my milk of choice today was almond milk, unflavored almond milk. But I have different types of milk, so I may try the other milk tomorrow just to see which one I like the best. But this is the sweet matcha that I purchased that I'm now in love with. So if you're a matcha lover, you might want to try it.